Hello everyone, this is Montserrat with XQ CPA. As you may already know, tax season has opened, and that means it is time to begin preparing your 2023 1040 tax return. While we'll be taking care of filing for you, we need certain documents in order to prepare your tax return as accurately and efficiently as possible. Luckily, we've made uploading your documents to our very own tax portal easy and convenient for you. First, you will need to log into the portal. Fill out your email address and your password, and click Login. Then, where you see your name, simply click on it. From there, you will see this screen. Next to 1040, there is a blue eye icon, which will say View Tax Documents if you hover over it. Click on it, and it'll take you to this table, which is where you will see a list of tax documents for you to add for your 2023 1040 tax return. The column Document Type will tell you what to upload to that row. In the case of Tax Organizer, you will have received a customized organizer from us for you to fill out. If you are a brand new client this year, you can find and download the blank organizer from the XQ CPA website, along with video instructions on how to fill it out. Document Name is where you will actually drop the file in. Doing so is very easy. All you have to do is click, drag, and drop the file into the table. Once it is uploaded, you can add notes to the row if you feel that we need additional information relating to the document. If you have a tax document that is not already listed in the table, upload it to the box at the top. Let us know what the document type is, such as a W-2, a description for it, and the recipient, either yourself as the taxpayer or your spouse, as well as any notes that we may need. When you are done, click Save. If you exit the table without saving, your progress may be lost, so make sure you save often just in case. After you upload and save all your tax documents, you can close the table and log out. If you have any questions in regards to uploading your tax documents to the tax portal, please email welcome@xqcpahouston.com for assistance. We are here to help you.